Oh, it's not ghosts, that's for sure. We get this call usually a handful of times a year where somebody's complaining that on their concrete foundation they're getting the water and they see it every day. And it's really kind of an investigation as to, well, how can this happen? So, for instance, right now we're kind of in a current dry period where we haven't had a lot of rain. But we'll have a customer call us and say, I go down every morning to maybe do my workout, grab my laundry, and there's always a puddle there. And by the end of the day, it kind of evaporates away. But I know it's coming through this foundation area. It's coming through a crack or a pipe penetration. But I don't understand why it's leaking like this. And usually we try to figure out, okay, where are you? Are you near wetlands? Are you in a high water table area? Are you seeing water in other places? And typically the answer is no, but sometimes it could be. And then when we kind of rule everything out, it tends to end up being, well, do you have a lawn sprinkler irrigation system? And that usually is followed by, well, yeah, I do. And these go off very early in the morning, usually somewhere between 3 and 5 a.m. for most homeowners in New England. And so it's going to be much earlier than typically most people are up and starting their day. And so when they go down in the basement, they see water coming in. A lot of times it's actually from a misaligned sprinkler head. It maybe was knocked, maybe it was malfunctioning, and it's pointing directly towards the house, dumping tens of gallons, if not more, hundreds of gallons in that area, super saturating the soil, which is great for the grass, but not so great for that foundation flaw. And then you're seeing that water leak every day. So while you may have a very unique situation that water is coming through the foundation on a daily basis, even without rain, a lot of times you have to understand, well, why is that happening? And in a lot of cases, it's either a broken pipe from a water main, or in this particular case, a misaligned sprinkler head. So part of the repair is fixing the wall crack, making sure that water won't get in on another occasion, but also contacting the irrigation company to fix that sprinkler head. So one, you're not damaging your house from overspraying and getting under the siding, and also making sure that you're actually spraying the grass where it's trying to get wet.